Hello, people. See, I just wrote everything on the board that is at the back. It is a Thursday afternoon, 2 o'clock. I always reach early in the sense 2 o'clock. The class was to begin. I'm here by 1:45 itself, and look at the class. I don't know why I keep doing this, but like in terms of showing you an empty classroom, but it's just uh, because what happens here is at 4:45 the class is supposed to end at 5, but by literally 4:30 onwards someone appears at the door and starts trying to chase us out, saying that they need to lock the room. And so basically, uh, you know it's been my experience. I've just now seen that in life, when we are selfless, it's like the universe also takes that one step forward, and it's very selfless things happen on your behalf. Like, in the sense, this is actually a 3-hour class, and I always, like, I believe that if it's my job, I just need to do it, 3 hours. But circumstances become such, like, I wouldn't have opted for the afternoon batch, but my co-trainer just, she wanted the morning batch, and so then I got the afternoon. But maybe, I don't know, so it's not a very selfless act from my end. Basically, I had no choice. She just took the morning batch. So anyway, since I've got the afternoon batch, it's like instead of 3 hours, it just becomes 2.5 hours. Or, you know even if I wanted to touch 3 hours, or even those 2.5 hours becomes very, like, the kids are, afternoon sessions, right? They become very playful, or they're half sleepy actually. So it's very chilled out, so that's what I've realized, this that in life, the more selfless we are, the universe also rewards us in some way. So that's such a nice feeling. And this is such a long uh, vlog, 2-minute long vlog. So I'll so sorry, I haven't been doing too many recordings, but and my voice you can make out. But anyway, I'll try to do it. I have just last 14 days more in this place. Yes, Thursday is when the program ends. Exactly 2 weeks to go. Man, how cool is that? So, on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.